Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered what gives vinegar its sharp taste and smell? The answer is a chemical called acetic acid. Today, we're going to explore how this incredibly useful substance is made, both by nature and in giant industrial plants. Let's start with the oldest and most natural method, fermentation. This is how we get the vinegar in our kitchens. It's a two-step process. First, you need something with sugar, like apple juice or grape juice. Yeast is added to this liquid. The yeast eats the sugar and turns it into alcohol, specifically ethanol. This is the same process used to make wine or beer. But we don't stop there. For the second step, a special type of bacteria called Acetobacter is introduced. These tiny organisms need oxygen to live. They take the alcohol and, through a process of oxidation, transform it into acetic acid. The final result is vinegar, which is mostly water with about 5 to 8% acetic acid. So, when you leave a bottle of wine open for too long, it's these bacteria from the air that turn it sour, making vinegar. While fermentation is great for making vinegar, the world needs huge amounts of pure acetic acid for industrial purposes. For that, we turn to chemical synthesis. The most common method today is called methanol carbonylation. It sounds complex, but the basic idea is simple. Scientists take two simple ingredients, methanol, which is a type of alcohol, and carbon monoxide, a gas. These two chemicals are reacted together under high pressure and temperature. To make the reaction happen quickly and efficiently, a special helper molecule called a catalyst is used. Think of it as a chemical matchmaker. This process, often called the Monsanto or Cativa process, is incredibly efficient and produces very pure acetic acid. This is the source of the acetic acid used to make plastics, solvents, photographic film, and many other products we use every day. There are other, older industrial methods too, but methanol carbonylation is the king today because it's so effective. So, you see, acetic acid is more than just the stuff in vinegar. It's a vital building block in the chemical industry, used to make things like PVA glue and some plastics. To recap, acetic acid is made either naturally through a two-step fermentation of sugars into alcohol and then acid, or it's synthesized industrially by combining methanol and carbon monoxide. It's a fantastic example of how a simple molecule can be made in different ways for different purposes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video interesting and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.